Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. It is also called as the distributive property, wherein the number which is outside the bracket is multiplied to both the terms inside the bracket. So what do we do? Here the a has to be multiplied with b and this a has to be multiplied with the c. So where does this sign negative go? It has to be in the center. So a multiplied by b and a multiplied by c. Because they are simple variables, so we'll just say ab minus ac. That will be the answer. Let's talk about the next one. The 4y has to be multiplied with 5 and the 4y has to be multiplied with 6. So where will the sign go? You have to keep outside like this. So 4y multiplied by 5y, same way 4y multiplied by 6. So 4 into 5 is a 20, y into y is a y square, minus 4 into 6 is a 24, and then simply y. So that's the answer, right? Let's go for more difficult questions. So as you can see here, minus 3x square y times this. So the whole minus 3x square has to be multiplied with the first one and the second. Now this minus has to be kept in the center. So which is getting multiplied? Minus 3x square y is to be multiplied with 6xy square. Sorry. Similarly, minus 3x square y has to be multiplied with 3x square y square. Okay. Now, what will happen? Minus 3 into 6, sorry, will be a minus 8. Again, minus 3 and 6 multiply will be minus 18. X square and x add the powers. Y and y square add the powers. Then minus. Minus 3 and minus 3 and plus 3 will be a minus 9. X square and x square is x raised to 4, y 3. So this will remain as minus 18 x cube y cube, but here it will be a minus into minus. Minus into minus will become a plus 9 x raised to 4 y cube. Okay, let's do the next one. Here the phi lm should be multiplied with m and with L. The minus has to come out. There can be a plus also, but we are getting all the questions with minus. So phi lm multiplied by m and then again phi lm multiplied with L. It's not 1, it's L. Okay, so 5 will remain as such, L will remain as such, m into m is going to become a m square. Then this minus 5 will remain as such, L into L is a L square m. So that's your answer, right? Clear? Let's take if we have more than 2 terms in the bracket like this. So it will be multiplied to all of them. What will be multiplied to all of them? The term which is outside. So 2m and m square n square has to be multiplied to the first, to the second and to the third. So the sign between the first and the second is minus, second and third is the plus, right? So let's write down 2m square n square multiplied by minus 3m, 3 by 4m, right? Then minus 2m square n square multiplied by plus half, right? N. Then plus sign. Which plus sign? This plus sign here. Then you have 2m square n square multiplied by mn. Okay, let me shift the line a little bit there. Yeah. Clear? Now this 2 and this 3 by 4 have to be multiplied. So 2 into minus 3 by 4, which will be multiplying now. M square and m will be a m cube and n square minus 2 and half has to be multiplied. Let's keep it like this. Okay, m into nothing is there, so m square, n square and n will be a n cube plus. There are no other numbers, so 2 m square into m is m cube, n square into n is n cube. Now This 2 and this 4 will cancel off. This 2 and this 2 will cancel off. So you'll get a minus 3 by 2 m cube, sorry, n square minus m square n cube plus 2 m cube n cube. Clear? Okay. Again, this x square, negative x square y square has to be multiplied with negative x, negative y plus xy minus 1. So minus x square y square with a minus x. Okay. Then the sign between the x and the y is what? Minus. So put this minus here. Then minus x square y square with the y. Okay. Then what's the sign between y and x plus y? It's a plus, right? So we'll say a plus minus x square y square into xy. Now what's the sign between xy and 1? Minus. So again we'll say minus x square y square into 1. Okay. So this minus into minus will become a plus. X square into x is x cube y square. Minus into minus is a plus x square y cube. Right? Next. Minus into plus, minus. X square into x, x cube. Y square into y, y cube. Minus into minus, plus. So that's the answer. Right? Again, minus x square y square is multiplied with minus x. That's here. Minus x square y square is multiplied with y. The minus sign is outside. Okay. Then minus x square y square is multiplied with xy. The plus sign is outside. Minus x square y square is multiplied with 1. The minus sign is outside. Then minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus plus is plus. Minus. Minus minus is plus. Correct? Let's take the next question. Okay. Now here they are saying find the multiplication of these terms. Okay, I'm going to do first. Okay, and second. The last is the direct zero while I'll let you go. The second question. It's AB multiplied by A minus B. AB with A and AB with B. So AB multiplied by A minus of AB multiplied with B. Right? So that will give me what? A square B minus AB square. Correct? Next, the third one. Okay, what is the third one telling me? It's AB and 7A square B square with A plus B. So 7A square B square has to go with A and with B. 7A square B square with A. Okay, and then plus 7A square B square with B. So that will become a 7A cube B square plus 7A square B cube. Why? Because A square into A is A cube and B square into B is B cube. Now why I'm saying the last one is a 0? Because it's like this. 0 multiplied by B cube plus QR plus RB. Anything multiplied with 0 will be a 0. So that will be a 0, a direct 0. Clear? Okay. Let's do the next one. Now in this what we have to do is the first and the second terms have to be multiplied together and the answer has to be put. So that means it's A times B plus C plus D. Right? That means A into B, A into C, A into D, which will give us a AB plus AC plus AD. Right? The next one, I'll do it at the bottom. The second one says x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. Now this number which is outside the bracket can be on the left or on the right. It's one and the same thing. So this will multiply here with all the 3. So you will get, sorry, x times 5xy plus y times 5xy, sorry, and minus 5 times 5xy. Correct? So what answer you will get? Yes, it's a 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Right? Third one, p multiplied by 6p square minus 7p plus 5. The p will be multiplied with all the 3. So p multiplied by 6p square, okay, minus p multiplied by 7p plus p multiplied by 5. So you get 6p cube minus of 7p square plus 5p. The last two is your own practice. Okay, you'll do that sums. Let's take the next one. You have to find the multiplication. So let's do the first one. It says a square 2a raised to 22 and 4a raised to 26. It's more like a monomial, right? So the 2 and the 4 will get multiplied. You'll get a 8a raised to 2 plus 22 plus 26, right? So that is 8a raised to 24 plus 26, which is a 50, right? Next, you have 2 upon 3 xy multiplied by minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. So it's 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 9 by 10. Okay, then x into x square, y into y square. This 3 goes off with the 9 and 2 goes off with the 10. So what we are getting? Minus 3 by 5, right? Into x cube y cube. Correct? So similarly, third I'm leaving it for you. The fourth is a direct answer, x to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. All the powers will add up and you will get x to the power 10. Clear? Right? So I've taken some extra questions for practice. What is the rule? The number which is outside the bracket has to be multiplied to both of them, which is called as the distributive property, and multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. Means here minus 4 will be multiplied with 5y and 7. Similarly, 6 will be multiplied with negative 6 will be multiplied with minus m and minus 3. Right? Minus 2c will square will be multiplied with 4c cube minus 10c square minus 8c and 9 with all the 4. Similarly, here 10x will be multiplied with 0.01x, sorry 100x will be multiplied with 0.01x and 100x will be multiplied with 0.19yz. Right? So the sign which is in the center will be put as the common sign. Hope it is clear. Thank you.